Welcome to NNERS, National Network of Emergency Restoration Services, restoring lives, restoring communities. Welcome to the National Network of Emergency Restoration Response, your trusted partner in property restoration. As a homeowner or commercial property owner facing the aftermath of a disaster, we understand the importance of swift and reliable restoration services. Here's why choosing our services is the best decision for your restoration needs. 1. Expertise and experience. 2. 24/7 availability. 3. Nationwide coverage. 4. Community focus. 5. Reliable service. When disaster strikes, trust the National Network of Emergency Restoration Services to be your partner in restoring your property and your peace of mind. Contact us today to experience the difference our services can make in your restoration journey. I'd recommend learning more before it's too late. For any additional local support or guidance, don't hesitate to contact NNERS. Our network is here to provide expert assistance and ensure your peace of mind throughout the restoration process. National Network of Emergency Restoration Services, restoring lives, restoring communities.